Hey guys, Dylan here. I just got my siding redone. This is my worst sore spot I still got in my house. It's this soffit in the front. Got this wood that's hanging down, and the soffit's not even put up right. It's been drooping, and so I'm gonna fix it up right today. I'm gonna show you what it takes to get the job done. I'm gonna go get all the supplies I need and get all this torn down. I did siding back in the day for a couple years, maybe a year and a half, 2 years. So I got a little bit of experience, but not like I do with transmissions. Normally I'm posting transmission content, but today I'm just doing stuff around the house. So thanks for watching. Let's get straight to it. The thing I'm gonna have to worry about is right above here. Minimum, I'm gonna have to re-secure some of these loose boards. Maybe pull some of these boards out, fix them. Can't have these boards hanging down onto my soffit. So, I'm probably gonna leave all this wood up here and cover it. All of it. All right. Show you what we got now. Got all the siding down. I was thinking about removing all this wood, but the way the metal's done above that window, that fascia or that trim is nailed into the wood. So I'd have to undo all that metal where that caulking is. But my problem was these boards hanging down. So I'm either gonna re-secure these boards that are hanging down or remove them if they can't be re-secured, so it doesn't pull down on my soffit. You can see there's a bunch of old roofing material above that that's pushing down on it. So let's get this fixed up today, guys. There's all my metal I took off, put it in a pile. I didn't make too bad of a mess on the porch. There's the only tool I used. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get to the measuring. All right, I'm measuring across so I know how long my pieces are gonna have to be. It's good, it's less than 6 foot. It's 69 inches. 20 feet long, that's 69. I'm gonna go ahead and take all this J channel down. So that's done. All right, all the J channels down. Like I said, any of these pieces that are rotten are getting removed. All right, guys, about the time to head to Home Depot. All right, got my demo done. It's my favorite part of doing construction, to be honest. I remember when I was younger, I did submission work. I always got to be on the demo crew. I had no idea what I was doing, and they let me tear shit apart. So, thanks for watching, guys. Let's go to Home Depot. Hey guys, here at Home Depot, got the soffit all loaded up. I'll show you what I got going on here. I just got some painter's tape. Taped it up real good. I got 10 pieces, like I said. Got it all strapped up to the kayak rack. And I'm all good to go. I'm gonna go get some lunch, get to work. Dylan from Home Depot, headed out. All right, guys, gotta get all these boards better secured up there. So I'll put my soffit on it, doesn't fall down. Got some longer screws, guys. There's a screw bed in there. Like this, the more the merrier. do it. This soft wood, it'll suck right through. Alright. I mean, it's not absolutely perfect. Yeah, I need to secure that up. I can't help it. Alright. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is sagging down, so I'm going to put a board on the side of it. Just like that. I'm put some screws in there after pushing up on it. I'm going to go get my circular saw. That rotten board right there. This wood right here is sagging just a little bit. So my plan is to stick this board up to where that wood's good. Screw it up there, push up here, and then screw that to there after cutting it down. All right, I got my line. Right there's my mark. Make sure my guard's loaded up. Make sure your cord's free. Boom, I got my piece. That's how you do stuff. When you're doing it, we're doing it. Now I'm going to drill some holes in it. Pilot holes. Screw it into that rafter. Push up, and then screw some screws in. It's always easier if you give yourself some pilot holes. Alright guys, now I got where this board is. I gotta raise it up. I already got my higher pilot hole. We'll start my screw. Now I can either ask my wife for help or I can just do it all on my own. I take this screw I put in there, use it as leverage. Pry that board up like that, and then put my screw in. Finish. Run that screw in. It ain't gonna hurt nothing in there. Let's get back and look at it now. Look flat. Alright guys, this is what I got now. I'm gonna clean this mess up so I can start hanging my soffit. Alright, whenever you do a soffit, the first step you're gonna do is put your J channel up. So that's what I'm going to start on. Set in the bushes. Seems like a pretty clean spot to store it. Starting over here, guys. It looks like the hard side. 67 1/4. Got something in my eye, guys. I'm even wearing eye protection. Just happens sometimes. Some roofing nails with my hammer. Alright guys, learn from my lesson. I went and got all this siding and stuff, and I knew I should get some nails just in case I didn't have any at home. Wife says, oh, we'll just go to the hardware store if we have to. Well, you don't want to go into the hardware store in the middle of a project, so just get the nails. They're $6, $7, $12. Get the nails. There's no reason not to. Alright, time to put this siding up. Soften. Get it in there, however you can. Alright, I gotta put safety glasses back on. Already got dirt in my eye. All right, I got these cool shades on, guys. This sucks. All right. First piece of J channels in. All right, I kept getting shit in my eyes, so I ditched those cool shades for these ones. Hopefully they're a little better, who knows. I feel like I still got something in my eye, but we'll see. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do this piece here so I can use all my scraps. I'm gonna get all these long pieces done. So I know I got enough to do those. Got it marked. Got a scrap piece now. I'm gonna try to make it look as professional as they did. I just put a 45 there. Should be done with this piece. Getting it done. Now we're gonna work on this section around this pole. And you always gotta go a ½ inch extra. Gotta go a ½ inch extra to make room for the J channel. These guys who did my siding did such a good job. I gotta do a good job on my soffit too. I'm gonna try to put these 45s in. Get a lot of that soft wood shit falling in my eyes. Rather too much than not enough. Perfect. I'm proud of that. Just marking it with my thumb. I have to think about it a little more than a normal siding guy would have to. Short 45 over here. There's my nail back. Tuck it in my belt. Alright. It's good enough. I don't need to overdo it. Keep moving, Dylan. I just need to cut a flap out of the back here. That doesn't look perfect there, but I'm still going with it. It's still there. Looks pretty good though. That should have been a little longer. Hold on. Let's go on to the next long piece, guys. So you measure twice and cut once, guys. Just messed that piece up. I can use it down here though. Whew. That was close. Cut it long and short though. Alright. Try to get my hammer handy. keep moving, guys. That's the only way you get anything done. All right, kind of halfway done, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do this long piece on the other side. I put that light on and trying to fix all kinds of stuff up around here, guys. Every weekend I try to do another project. Just keep doing stuff. Alright guys, this is what it looked like. Probably lead paint all over my face. I'll show you what I've got done so far. Put that J channel in. Put that J channel in. Put that J channel in. I'm probably gonna redo that piece. I just not real happy with it. This piece here is okay, but this piece here could have a better angle. I got that J channel in. I haven't done that yet because I wanted to get all these long pieces done. So I'm gonna do that next piece there. Hopefully that piece right there on my bush will fit. Yeah, this electric box over here is gonna make it tough on me. I'm gonna put another piece or two in there. I just keep putting pieces in until it looks good. I've got a good idea though, guys. All right, this piece, gotta overlap it just a skosh. That's good. Normally I'm working on automatic transmissions, guys. Extra there. I think it'll make it look better if I leave some extra. See how deep my flap needs to be. Alright, my nail bag going again. A lot easier. I don't want to put them in my pants and mess my pants up. I'm going to start on this right side. Kind of just guess. Alright guys, don't tell my wife, but I'm not even gonna nail that. It's up in there good. It ain't freaking going nowhere. Where's it going? Nowhere. So I got all that done. All I got left is a little couple pieces down here. I'm gonna start rocking this stuff out. I know it's not gonna be easiest to see, but to knock this out. All right, guys. This little piece here, and then I'm gonna fix that because I didn't like it. Water break. I'm no professional. Now I'm gonna fix this. Make it look better. And then I'm done with the J channel. Look how much better that looks. That was worth the time I just took. Oh man. Time to get this nastiness covered up, guys. I gotta go get the wife's approval. All right, I'm just gonna give you the walk around. I'm gonna have to clean all this when I'm done because this shit's dirty work, but there's one corner. Looks great. It's my worst corner. Still looks pretty damn good, I think. Unless there's siding up in there, that'll look great. I'm proud of this. I really am. Look at that piece there. Holding bushes. Soffit holding bushes. Time to get to work. All right, guys. Got my mark kind of made there. In order to make my mark, I want to make sure it's square. I'm just going to use this piece of siding because I know the siding is square with each other. So I can just line my mark up like that. And then draw my line. Boom. Just like that. You can just draw your line on your mark and boom, you're good to go. All right, guys, back to the big picture. It's real good. Now I just got to cut off a little chunk here. All right. I'm gonna hold my piece up. That's kind of an angular piece, so make sure I get it nice and snug there. I'm gonna hold this there like that. Make my mark like that. Boom, my first piece of Soffit's up. A little wiggle, that's what you want. Safety glasses. I'll be back. I don't know if I just recorded my first pieces or not. That's pretty disappointing. But I got my first two pieces up, guys. Maybe I didn't record them. Oh well. But they look good. They slide back and forth. I had to cut that piece around there. Looks really good. Time to keep going. Water break. No wiggle room. Gotta take some out, guys. I want it to be right. You got no wiggle room, take a 1/4 inch out. At least. Depends on how tight it was, I guess. I should say. That's why I didn't cut a bunch of 66s, guys. Would have been wasting time. Tomorrow we're gonna go high pressure washer and wash this. That's much better. Still a little tight. I think one side's a little tighter than the other, honestly. Oh well. I want it to be right. See that metal's dented, it's probably sticking out right there. Much better. Gotta wiggle a little. Oh, hot. $65 1/4. This time when I cut the piece off, I'm going to make sure I end up with a factory edge scrap. so I can use that as my marking piece. Nice square edge. Good factory edge this time to mark with. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Keep getting this siding super dirty. You're gonna see where my fingerprints are at the beginning and where they aren't at the end. So wash your hands, guys, before you put up a bunch of white siding. Don't be me. Put a little notch in my cutting piece, guys, so I can tell right away which one I'm using. This is my good factory edge. Knocking this out. Marks however you can, and then double check it because I only have so many pieces. That should be perfect. That piece is perfect though. It's gonna be tight. I think I'm gonna be able to get a full piece in here without cutting this bottom lip off, but I might have to. I knew it. Looks fucking awesome. Got plenty of nails? Keep plenty of nails in your nail bag because it's easier to grab them when there's plenty. Is hard. I know you guys can't see this, but the way these boards are made, I'm putting my nails in the high spot on the board so I'm not sucking this siding in real tight. With lead paint too. That lead poisoning, you know why. Cut the right section out. Always put an X. There you want to mark out. Always look at it and double check it's going to look right. Alright, I'm going for it, guys. Wait, don't come out here right now. Stop. Go back inside. Just try to come out right before I was almost all the way done. I don't think so. Not going to fucking happen. Wait 2 seconds. You can see the final product. I gotta do my rip piece. At least I don't have to cut it out all fancy. You don't have to nail your last piece. Let's go look at it. together. I'm proud of this. This is the face of success. I know it's a little dirty, guys, but boy, it looks better. Come on out, sweetie. Here is the carnage. I'm gonna try to clean this up, make a little time lapse. And that's where the camera was sitting, my little nail station. And you can see over here, there's my cut piece. It's got a good factory edge on it. I just cut a little notch out of it so I know exactly which one to grab every time. There's the siding I took off. Probably go scrap that stuff in a little truck bed trailer. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty darn good. It's a lot better than it did. I know it's not perfect. And by God, it's a lot better than it was. I think it looks so much better, guys. That's my worst corner. It's not terrible. I think it turned out real good, guys. Tell me what you think down in the comments. Always feels good to get stuff like this done. Hey guys, Dylan here. I got that soffit done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching. It's not what I normally put out, but hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna stick a couple videos up over there. If you check them out, I'd appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button. It's the best way to support my channel. If you have any questions, stick them down below. If you have any tips on how I could have done it better, put them below as well. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Let's get straight to the next one.